Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. So in today's video we are going to be trying Lippan art for the first time. So these were all the materials and we'll start by painting a piece of cardboard white. So here basically I'm doing this for some audition sample for a competition. That's why I'm making it small, but the size can totally depend on how big or small you want to make it. So for the clay, I'm using molded clay where you come with two components. One is hardener and the other one is resin, and you mix them together to make the clay. So I'm gonna take a little bit part of the clay and then roll it to make a long thin line. Also, Lippan art is a traditional art of Gujarat, and basically you use clay and mirrors over here. Like you can also use paint and other stuff like that, but the main idea, like the basic concept, is to use mirrors and clay. Now you see we have made the rough sketch on which we want to work upon. So we are going to put the clay now. I know this part can be a bit tricky, but it's okay, and after some time it becomes easy. Yeah, also we have to make sure to put less glue or else the output wouldn't be that good. It's the time to paint, and basically I'm using different shades of blue and I'm using white. You can choose a different color combination, or you may not go according to a color combination at all. You can make it colorful. Yeah, but I think I like to stick to one color combination, so I'm using different shades of blue mixed with white. And like the clay, like the lines, I'm gonna color them afterwards using white. And tada! Our Lippan art is ready. Thanks for watching. Bye!